Hey guys, what's happening? How to use Google Fi or eSIM for international data roaming. First of all, check the device compatibility. You ensure your phone supports Google Fi or eSIM, right? Next, sign up for Google Fi, right? Get a plan that includes international roaming, okay? Next, activate eSIM, right? Scan the QR code for Google Fi or your eSIM provider, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go and enable the roaming on your phone. So you're gonna go back to your screen after you bought and scanned the QR code and activated the eSIM, right? And then you're gonna go ahead to the cellular data, right? And you're gonna turn on the cellular data, and as you can see the cellular data option, go ahead and turn on the roaming, right? Data roaming, and then select the best network, right? Your phone will switch automatically, but you can manually choose if needed. And lastly, monitor the data usage. Use the Google Fi app or phone settings to track usage. Now you're connected worldwide without hassle. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next time.